will talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Wiz app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, so you just go above this sign, click on it here. Then it's going to show for you a list like this. You click here on settings. Then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Just scrolling down here. Sorry. You scrolling down here until you will find your notifications. Click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Just scrolling down here. So until you will find here with news and updates. Click in this sign or this color. Like you see, color is gone. That means it's disabled with us now. Just scrolling down here until you will find here save. Click on it. Then it's going to save with you. So that's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.